Hello world, Brian here, sharing some thoughts from the road, same job, different uniform, load, locate, deliver, record, repeat. Hopefully we learn something together, or at least kill some time. Still in the Danville area, Boone County. There are two things I keep noticing about Boone County that I do not notice the same way anywhere else. One is that the roads are built into the terrain so completely that you cannot tell anymore what was here before the road. It just looks like the road was always here, like the mountain grew around it. The other thing is quiet, not empty. Quiet. There is a difference, and Boone County has always had the second time. And I ran through here on long days sometimes, and this was inside the Spark territory, south of Madison, delivering packages into the haulers on either side of this road. You start to understand the county the way a plumber understands a building. Not aesthetically, infrastructurally. You know which haulers get service on which days, which addresses require a phone call, which driveways are seasonal. Coming back without the manifest, the same roads read completely differently. I am still working out what that means. Thank you for riding with me. We are in this together. Keep going.